Hey there everybody, it's Mark here again from Boot at Gleneden, and right now I'm going to be talking to you about something really important, which is overcoming fears, stepping up, signing up, putting in your details and getting signed up to do your first session. So that is really the most important step. Anybody can go in and enter their details in to do something, but it's oh so important that we actually take some positive action and start turning up and working towards our goals, which is exactly why we've given you the training program, the nutrition plan, and we've given you some free training so you can just get started and get into a good routine. So just to tell you a little bit about where we are at the moment, we're at Gleneden Primary School, where you're going to be doing the bulk of your training. We've got an awesome indoor facility here for times where it's a little bit wet, or if we want to go do some training inside, we've got a bunch of equipment stored here. And then we also come out into the outside area here, as well as going out onto the field. We have so much fun getting fit. It's in an awesome training environment. It is group training at its best, and we want to encourage you to come on down, start with Boot at Gleneden. Let's get into it. Let's go. See you soon.